in manos of the 2024 Grand Marian Procession, Ms. Maria Victoria P. Burgos, Ms. Evelyn Del Rosario, Ms. Aurora E. Ismendi, Mr. Clifford P. Chua, Mr. Kessler Lugo, Reverend Father Vincent P. Jr., Ms. Vera Diaz, Ms. Elizabeth Bob, Ms. Maya Paulin C. Lulo. Nuestra Señora de los Dolores de Turumba. This image is enshrined at the parish church of San Pedro de Alcantara and diocese shrine of Our Lady of Turumba in Baquil, Laguna. The legend about the Virgin dates back to 1788. When fishermen came upon a sheet of tin floating on the waters of Laguna de Bay. It was an oil painting of Our Lady of Sorrows encased in a wood and silver frame. The fishermen brought it to the church, whereupon the priest ordered the carving of a statue based on the portrait. By virtue of a decree issued by Pope Francis, the original icon was canonically crowned by Archbishop Charles John Brown, moved to the Philippines on September 15, 2023. In culmination of the coronation events, the Imagen Antiguas was solemnly crowned at San Pablo Cathedral by Bishop Antonio Tobias on September 24, 2023. Nuestra Señora de los Dolores. President of the Via del Turumba, Sister Cynthia Bormoles, President Parish Pastoral Council, Brother Peter Evangelista, President Parish Finance Council, Sister Estela Soriano, Municipal Mayor Baquil Laguna, Honorable Vincent Soriano, President Alcad Malverde, Brother Christopher Cadima, President Banda 1, Jeric Mapizano, President Banda 2, Roland Pasam, President Banda 12, John Larry Vico. Kami nagpapasalamat sa mga taga-Baquil, Laguna! Muli po kami nagpapasalamat sa mga kasama ng Nuestra Señora de los Dolores de Turumba.
Sabirin! Sabirin! Wala nagpunta kahit sa kanura.
Sa inyo, ate, sa pala rin tao.
Ano?
Lalakad
Oh, di ba?
Kuya ko nila pa rin. Nandito rin yun.
Ayan. Kumahan na Super Bowl yun ngayon.
Sabi
Hindi ka nakita sila.
Sabi rin!
Sabi rin!
Mabuhay ang mga taga-Paking Laguna!
Dito ang bago nila.
Dapat lagi silang pangulan.
Ano naman pinakamarami nila?
Oo, tingnan mo. Diba ayan, mga buhay pa rin kumakanta sila.
Eh, pero ano pang ilan na yung number na kinuha nyo?
Diba, nandito pala sila.
Anong, ilang number nung kinuha mo?
170.
Oh, 175.
Halos ang
Oo, isang van.
12.
Times isang.
Kunin mo dito sa likod ko yung walang laman na bote. Kunin mo nga sa likod ko yung walang laman na bote, tiihi si Kyrie. Yung walang laman. Ayan niya, walang laman na bote dyan. Ayan na lang, para diretso tapon.
Paper or canvas, polychrome wood or stone, as well as ivory. Ivory is revered as the most precious medium, valued for its rarity and its ability to carve finely up to the smallest of details. For wood, ivory is most favored for its right density and its fast-resisting properties. After carving, the wood is then polychrome, in a process called inflammation, giving it a lifelike appearance. This process may also apply to other mediums of wood. Religious images are crafted to inspire prayer and devotion and reflect the splendor of heaven.
Wala sila PM.
Last na yan, di ba? Yung sinusi ko naman.
Ayan, makasinan na yan.
Ah, sa PM.
Sasaya eh. Si FPT.
Sinuluan na yan.
Sinilohan.
Ayaw ko na kaya mo niya.
Kapos, kila ko.
Salamat po sa Banda 12 mula sa Paking Laguna.
Hindi pa tapos yan.
Oo, sinilohan na. Halos 1/4 lang naman ang taga